going out.
Yeah, come in a killer. No more. Stand up yourself. See you on yourself. Go up now. Go up back.
Yo,
Go back.
that's not girl blog no dog.
Vlog.
Yeah, see killer.
We're going to a party. What party we going to? Inches.
Are you vlogging?
Inches on inches. Don't bring my phone. Man, pull out her ponytail. Oh, they're arresting her. No, they're not. See how far you reach? You see how far you reach? You see how far you reach?
Miss a YouTube.
You see how far you reach? Look at him. Left the party to come see fight.
Man need a big girlfriend, you know.
He mashed up her phone.
I know the man wants one girl.
Done.
Huh?
I'm done.
And what? He flew kicker though.
Kick her right in her back.
And tried the way right off her head. What's that?
I'm vlogging.
Yeah, vlog.
Yes.
Let's party come vlog fight.
Huh? No, I came to get something out of my car.
Hey, sister.
Alright, I'm on the phone.
Living your life.
Let me tell you what happened. Let me tell you what actually happened. When I was coming from town, I got on the wrong toll. I got on the Portmore toll. And no, I'm not showing no progress. Like,
Oh, Spanish show.
hey vloggers. I mean,
Yeah,
oh, I'm the vlogger. You're the subber.
Like, you know how you go to the toll? Like, you're going to Greater Portmore? But then I caught myself, I'm like, wait, this ain't the right toll. So I had to go around, the back road.
So me I see yo. The middle of the chat you see. I want to go back
So
to
then when
the
I got
party.
to the, when you called me, I just got on the Lindsay toll. So I
And you tell me see a soul come.
yeah.
Everybody recognize me.
You guys
And
recognize
Tatiana
him?
vlog. Yeah. Tatiana vlog. Brady.
Brady. So yeah.
What's that on the iPhone back?
Huh?
What's that?
It's supposed to be a ring supposed to be on it, but it broke off when my phone fell. So what's up?
I'm good.
What brings you to Kingston?
No, say you me smell. I'm come up here.
Is that a good thing?
Or a bad thing.
Is that a good thing?
Smell you and come up here.
He's following me, guys.
Follow you. Smell the fat.
So-
Smell follow it.
Are you dumb?
Of course.
So you're
And-
admitting that you're
and-
following me?
And smell fat. You follow it.
It's not, they smell sugar and sweet. Come
And
Miss
full of
Sweet.
sugar too.
Miss Sweet, your friend.
It's sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet, Tommy.
Yeah.
Smell it. People don't smell my jacket.
People can't smell your jacket. You're so extra. Yo, so you guys missed this. I caught it. There's this big fight that just happened with these two couples. So basically, the boyfriend, he's over there talking to the cops, broke the girl's
We
phone,
don't fuck with snitches though. We don't fuck with snitches. Don't snitch.
broke the girl's phone, and then she went crazy on him and took a Magnum bottle and bust up his car and said she's gonna fucking kill him and how he must suck her muma, his muma and all types of things. And he ripped off her ponytail and all that shit. Bare things are going wrong there. Bare things are going wrong there. Yeah.
And he's looking down.
They don't want to write. Ain't good.
Tell them your social medias so I can tag you. I can put you on it.
My social media, I don't know none of them names. Oh, I'm Snapchat?
Yeah.
Kevoy Prince.
Boy print. Okay, so that's his snap chisel. Screenshot.
Make sure I'm gonna go on snap tomorrow. Alright, bitches.
Time. Me coulda never green that in a Georgia. Serious. I have so many fucking water and tissue. Wait there, and them start put them together now and put them in a package. Them wipes. Ramp with me. Yeah, me. Yeah, them Friday, you know. Over there, so we have start the year. Big up my talent in the place. Some money got to catch on the Friday yard. We have link per room and house. Yo, they can't link me. See it? And the guy in on the work that here, we understand big. We have the link for the farmer, for the pig cotton. So one of us doing the PR in that small picture, signed by a JP and all this good. Happy New Year, Nottingham! You know the sun go. Tomorrow, Jersey party. See it on the whole Nottingham party. It's a long time. Put up your light on the ear. Put up your light. Yo. Matalan Philippines straight back. Touchdown. I'm finding out. You mean of all original people. Yeah, that's Friday. Hold up. What is it?
Light with the
time to fight with somebody. Yeah, again Friday. Yeah. No guys are on. And I'm not just a smile. Yes, that's it. Yeah, I look the same.
What?
Is it up to them? Wait now. Just wait now. Hey, you have to say something. What's up? Still have got all money. Yeah, you're party next week. Come on. When I make a dollar, you have to spin it. You have to turn it around and spin it. Next week's at the day. One bag of tea. First day. Science again. Science. smell good. When the ravers them step. Step up, that's it. Sponsors Ravish Entertainment. Me a bad man. Me live by rules and law. Big up my father. Rest in peace. From me a pick me. You tell me say my son, I will be dead before you. Make sure me proud of you. Everybody will smell good. Put your hand here. Everybody will smell good. You know what? I want you dance around the street again. Everybody just want to tell you. We are the name and the title. I don't know how to sing. Everybody know. Jack is a stadium play. Just a bit. Every man we are getting smell them. The man that we are born to, yeah. Put that beer there. A new year. A new year. We don't want a new friend. We don't want a new year, guys.
So basically they wet me up and they wet her up.
Rich and famous again, man. Rich and famous film. The world
When you fight that,
move forward. Move forward. Move forward. What you have a sister? What you have a sister? With I'm on in it. Wicked. Well, one time the other day.
right to the wave, right to the wave. Can you see what you gonna mean a grave? Right to the wave. Yes, I do. Show them how we make him clapping like why you put on. Listen God. Listen God. Listen what you run up and down. Listen God. Listen God. Walk with
ladies and last straight forward.
right to the wave. Right to the wave. Right to the wave. Show them how we make him clapping like why you put on. Watch that! Watch that! Watch that! The dance are too hot for the one in the shade. Find one more here. Everybody do fight like say no kiss. Everybody do this.
Alright then. Let's go with a shockwave. When ready? Watch that! My God, Swedish power! We are! Go on. Go. Oh. One go. Let me tell you so. You know me a weird power, no? I'm from 11:30 me there, stay there. And they are from 11:30 What time now? Nobody don't cheat the clock. What time? How much? Stay if you tell me lie. What time now? 5 or how much? 6. Go. Oh. Hold on there. Hold on. You hear them? Ladies gonna kill him now. Watch out now. Ladies. Any hour round up 15 grand from a man, them the song play a little bit. If 15 grand can round up, go. Oh. But people walk out already. Couple of them walk out. See they put up money. Listen to me. Ladies, if you find 15 grand right now from the man them, music play. If you can't find 15 grand, go. Oh. Stay and find 2 grand. And the ladies, they won't get it back. See $100, yeah. See another $1,000, yeah. What is it? Rollins, see another $1,000, yeah. See one more $1,000, yeah. Don't count how much in there. 50 US is a cheap. Jamaican money, sir. Hold on. Listen to me. Hold. Come on. Hold on there. So Megan, you hear about this? Watch it now. Count how much money this. Count the money. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 months. Hold on now. I want a woman that does give $5,000, so that minus. So we still have $5,000 from the man then. Ladies, I want to get back the money. Don't count it back in front time. Ladies, who not get back the money, it will 5 grand more from the man. If we can't get 5 more grand, go. Oh. That's the money. I don't know much for it. I'm tricky now. And the Brazilian money, sometimes a year price them out. $1 Jamaican is worth, and we can't do that. So put it over this, in it here. No, load the money there, you can't do that now.
Who does that?
Yeah. Who does that? We want 5 more grand.
Who does that?
See that? One go. See? She.
Yeah, one, ready.
Ready now.
Ladies!
Ready now.
Any girl want the best for the next and get the money. Play now. Ladies, hey,
Fucking sexy like a yes, man.
Rules are not running. No girl on the table. No girl on the table. Stop! Big woman, you first. Maybe you, hello. Maybe you, the first two. You know what? God no. Them go feel proud. They just go on and deal with the thing. Then they can't flick like them. They just deal with the thing. Understand? You, hold a grand for the flick. You, hold a grand for that play do. You, hold a... I think they don't wrap with their teeth like oh, no, beer. Them man no for money and them want money. I mean, I'm going to hold the rich man here. Play about the song. Stop. Me is the first day for Jamaica. Oi! I'm first day for Jamaica. Oh Lord, what a night. What was your night? Oi! Now the Jamaican girl one for your cocky. Oh, my girl, reason how we can pay for yourself. Don't rush me. Now the Jamaican girl one for your cocky. It's all good. That's why she got one for your cocky. Now make a PR. That's why the wait now. That's why the PR. Wait now. That's why the PR. Try now. She's gonna date you. That's why she date you. And you have bad fuck. God Almighty. Come here, money. Jesus Christ. This again and not on the sense. Me first a tip on. When you want on your back in why you tip on. I do a ring y'all. Jesus Christ. I walk in grass. My parents sit here. Try to know in Nile of Jamaica. No. What about killing? Pull up. And that was Jamaican girl and the man ruling. But him love it, watch him face and kill him teeth too. Alright, please stop. Ladies, here. No, rush it. Ladies. Alright. 100 years, can change the time. 100 years, 13,000, give me 13 grand, man. Give me 13 grand, man. Go, I'm 12, go.
I feel like dance hall photographer.
We'll be able to stand. Ladies,
Where it is?
look down. In the whole of uno. So, play again some because I'm the girl money. And then never get happy. Come. Put it right there, please. Alright? Alright? You all 2. You all 3. Alright! Japanese. You all 1. And you want Japanese. Oh, wait a bitch. Yo, see something. You see you do something.
I'm the cameraman.
1, 3 guys. 3 left. You all. I want Japanese.
Me.
Oh, you all this. Please thank me, God. The money done.
Why this make you feel like this? Why this make you feel like this? Why this make you feel like this?
Yeah, me get poses a lot, man. My rich, my real rich. You ready? Huh? Okay, come.
Chat this.
I want the bucket.
You're the one and people at $1,000 them say so. See that?
Cheyenne. We go.
Chat this. Work out you have to work out with them right this. Go.
Oh.
Chat this. Work out you have to work with them right this. But everybody else.
You put that natural in the fridge?
Huh?
You put that in the fridge?
Yeah.
Oh, boy, I freeze, sir.
Yeah. Huh? Who's you two? Oh, let me ask them. Huh? Yo, Andrew. Yo. There we go.
Yeah, we live. So we're live right now? We live? Live in the 876.
Yo. Yeah?
Yeah.
Little bits.